Y'all don't deserve that. What's good? Before the video starts, I have a huge free announcement. Me and Alpha Injection teamed up to give one of you bastards a set of injectors of your choice.
Stop playing.
Oh, he's tapping in. He's tapping in. Yes, me and Alpha Injection has teamed up to do a Zosh MFG X Alpha Injection giveaway. 3 winners, free to enter. Everything you need to know how to enter this giveaway is on my Instagram right now. Head over to my Instagram at Percy Mascuddy or type in Zosh. I should be the first one to pop up. If I'm not, just, you know, make sure you see my name Percy somewhere on that. You feel me? I don't know. A girl named Zoshia Jones got the actual Zosh handle, but she won't sell it to me because she's a beautiful young woman who just won't sell me it, so that's not cool. First place winner will receive an Injector CC number of your choice. If you want 550s, hell, if you want 2400s, if you want 1300s, the choice is yours, playboy. Second place winner get a Zosh MFG care package. You will have exclusive stuff. You'll even have a memorabilia thing that I'm giving away that no one can win aside from the second place winner of this giveaway. Third place winner will receive 25% off discount code for injectors.
Yeah, 25% off. That's a lot, bro. That's like 1/4% of 100.
Damn, I know math. All the information you need to know is down below, okay? So be sure to click the link down below to the Instagrams. Alright? Now on with the rest of the video. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to be JDM specking out my Civic. Yeah, I got the FT2 front end. Cool. Whoop-de-whoop. Yo shit fake. Suck your mother backside. But the one thing I don't got on the car is some goddamn emblems. And guess what? I got emblems. We're gonna put them Johns on today. We're also gonna be buttoning up a few loose ends on the Civic, and also maybe I don't know. Am I gonna do it? I don't know. I might be selling the Integra. I'm just joking. I'm not doing that. But I did get some new bulbs in from Aux Beam, so I guess I'll have a quick little daily vlog for y'all today. I just want to really showcase that me and Alpha Injection is giving away injectors, bro. Like, what? Like, shout out to my homie Skyler over at Alpha Injection, bro. That's my guy. And we're doing this giveaway for y'all ungrateful motherfuckers. I'm just kidding. I'm just talking bold, bro. You don't listen to me. But that's pretty much all what's going to be going on in today's video. Today is 2/22/2022, which is my niece's Apple birthday. So if y'all really rock with me and y'all the homies like y'all say y'all is, this is not my friend. Tell your niece happy birthday. You feel me? Y'all her uncle, ain't it? Tell her happy birthday. But we got some packages in from Aux Beam that we're going to be installing today. These are the trifecta headlights. These are like the best headlights because they turn yellow, they turn yellow and blue, and they turn a full 6K. So this shit is amazing. And we're going to install them Johns today along with some JDM badges. You see that big H? That thing gonna go right there nice and neat. Sucker kiss. So Aux Beam came out with the X60 headlights. These headlights allow you to change your color from yellow, yellow and a half to white, and then to all the way blue. You feel me? Like how I got on the Integra. But these are now Aux Beam version of it, and I had to get on it for a Kira. So if you're into menage a trois and life, keep watching the video. Oh, and let me teach y'all how to make y'all FD2 rep bumpers have that proper fitment. You heard me? Look at that. Look how much better that is. All you have to do really is just bend the fender back. Like this, the fender curves in. If you could just bend the fender back out this way, you will have this bumper lined up perfectly flush. I mean, it's not this flush, but it's good enough. I mean, then this is gonna be a race car, bro. Like, you guys will see, like when I do track days and stuff like that. But like, it's not gonna be perfect, but like, this is better than what most you see on the internets. People will stuff be like way, like you see the whole bumper here, the fender be all pushed in. It's not hard. You gotta make it right. I just gotta get the fitment on this stuff right here situated. It's where the gap. So I gotta put some what's it called? I gotta put some washers in the back so this can all be spaced evenly up here. You know, you just gotta finesse it till you make it right, bro. That's all. Just a lot of finessing. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for all the headlights are situated. Now it is time to drill and mount this bad boy right here. Look at that. Oh my god, oh my god. I've never actually done this before, but I'm pretty sure it's not that hard. So what I did was I lined it up like this, the way I want it, centered it, and then I just made my indents with the two already little weenie huts on the back of this emblem. Do that, just, you know what I mean? Take your car to Cheek City one time for the one time.
Your mom watches this.
Your mom too.
That's disgusting.
Sorry, Miss Flockies.
Am I getting paid for this?
Yeah, what you want?
Chicken wings.
Chicken wings. You heard that recall they had?
No.
Crazy. Yeah, we can't eat chicken wings for like 2 months.
That's a lie.
I'm for real. Go check the news.
I check it every time.
What news you check?
WPTV, West
You-
Palm Beach.
You need to check World Star TV. They're way more accurate.
Well, there's no recall. You just don't want to buy my wings.
Tyson, Purdue,
Okay,
they all
go to
have
Bravo.
Bravo.
Publix.
Publix. Man, you stop playing with me.
Stop being cheap.
Cheap. We're in a recession. This is a pandemic.
Okay, go, so get me some baleadas.
Who?
It ain't no COVID tomorrow though.
Don't do me like that. Y'all know what this is? She don't.
You apparently don't either.
My teeth look yellow on camera. I'ma edit it to make it look white. I'ma do it again.
I'm just kidding. I love you, babe. Want to roast me? I roast you too.
Ooh, that's sexy.
Yeah. Your mom watches this.
Bumble Club, me got the greetings. See, look, toothpaste works every time. Now we gotta do. Let's just drill.
So what are you doing? I'm confused. You look a little funny.
You recording? Mm-hmm. Alright, bet. Alright, so for the back, I just gotta scrape all this stuff off, clean it up nice and neat. I don't have no glue gun. I can't find it. But my old method of using a heat gun or WD-40. WD-40 should take this stuff off, to be honest. And yeah, punch these holes out, and then use what they supplied me from Zaft Japan, OEM, and then just pop that mug in there like that, and we money. Yeah, you definitely scratched it. You keep messing up my race car. You lucky it's a race car, or I'll be crying on camera like R. Kelly. Yeah, I gotta stop playing.
I don't care if you cry.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, fuck.
I didn't mean to.
I don't care. It's a race car. That's my excuse. You mess it up, oh well. It's a race car. Alright, where's my compound?
Oops.
I wonder if you see it. Nope. Yeah, you see a little bit.
Sorry, babe.
It's okay, I don't care. It's just a car, babe.
You know how men get. They act like little beaties about their cars.
I don't care. It's just a car. I gotta figure out how to rest and get the rest of this out. I need my I need wet sand and but I got compound.
I have a sandpaper.
You got sandpaper?
Yeah, for cars. It's in my car.
What the hell?
Yeah, it's sanding thing.
Who do you know?
I looked it up. I went to Honda and I bought Honda paint.
Okay.
Paint.
Go get the sandpaper.
I bought this back in 2017 or 18.
Nice. I ain't no paint and body guy, but I'm finna wet sand it. See that?
Do that to my car.
For what?
My front bumper.
I can't do that.
And my back.
You're gonna need the homie Chris Diaz for that. Shout out Chris. And my dog. It's for a scratch and blemish remover.
Show them.
Oh, this is my compound. Damn it, I need rubbing compound. Shit. Oh well. This is not compound. But
You did the job.
yeah, you don't really see anything. It looks pretty decent. How I look on camera? Not that bad?
You look good.
Alright. Full send. Alright, take off. This emblem was $70. 70 doll hairs. But Type R, bro. FD2 Type R emblem. And it's on this big body Civic. Done, son. Done. JDM is bro. Oh, check out my new headlights. Check me out. Hold on. You see this, right? This is how I be rocking, right? You see that, babe? I just be rocking like this. But then, like, I get on my mean streak. Then I start rocking like that. And then it's like, you know what? I don't want to rock that hard. I'm gonna rock it like that. A little yellow, a little blue. You feel me? Unity. That's what Martin Luther King fought for. It's Black Future Month. Okay? Black Future Month. Now we're gonna kick it with my white folks. Yup. Chilling with the Crips. Now, like, you know, I chill with the, yeah. You know what I mean? Oh, it's bright. It's bright. Ooh, mama, it's bright, mama. Mama, it's bright. That's it. That's all she wrote, mama. You got the red emblem up there. Babe, what do you think about my emblems?
That looks JDM as fuck, bro.
What you think about the ice of the emblem, shorty?
That looks JDM as fuck, bro.
You know what? Never mind, bro. I tried to get her to say, that looks JDM as fuck, bro, but she... Let me just go ahead and end this video. God damn, bro. You whole production canceled. I might as well just quit this. Finna get me a regular ass 9 to 5. It been real, YouTube. I'ma f with y'all, man. It been real, dog. Thank y'all for all the blessings over the years, man. She said, that looks JDM as fuck, bro. Oh my God, babe. That looks JDM as fuck. That's JDM. Luna, she said that's JDM as fuck, bro. Babe, say that's JDM as fuck. That's JDM as fuck. But indeed it is. JDM as fuck, bro. But that is pretty much the whole sum of this video. You know what I mean? This is just gonna be a part of the daily vlogs here so I can get my bands up all February. New merch is on the way and you, bro, it's fire. Like this, I will not hold you. It's fire. Me and Alpha Injection have teamed up to give away some injectors and a Zosh MFG care package for one of you. All you have to do is go to my Instagram, follow the little thing. All you gotta do is comment, follow me and Alpha Injection, which you should already be doing, which means you already entered, and just comment down below. Leave a comment. And that's it. I also picked up a Weeble S gimbal the other day, so that should help with production values of the channel and whatnot. And I actually did a little reel of it on my Instagram, which I'm sure you saw, but if you didn't, here it is right here. Let me know what you think about gimbal footage being incorporated, because I'm going to do it regardless whenever I'm not being lazy. I got to get my money's worth. Like, you know what I mean? I got to film something. And as always, if you live in Florida, you have a dope car that you want me to review for a YouTube video, just DM me or shoot me an email. And that's going to wrap it up. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.